This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Kim Trent. Don't miss this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath mid-century modern dream house on a rolling 1.75 acre wooded lot near West Hills. Stunning original architectural details are perfect for modern living. 2 wood-burning fireplaces will provide cozy times at home for the holidays. Walls of windows flow out to an expansive stone terrace and private backyard perfect for entertaining. The play structure is ready to provide hours of fun. This home features new roof, new flooring and an updated electrical system with Generac 11.6 kWh power cell, Generac 7600 watt inverter and 18x320W solar panels. In addition to powering the house during a power outage, sans air conditioner, the electrical system can feed energy back into the grid to further reduce power bill. This is a rare find and won't last long. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Trent at 865-584-4000.